Janeska and Janeska and Princess Zia for our photo ops. And smile! Once again, our 70th, palakpakan naman natin sila. Ayan, once again, tinatawagan ko naman lahat ng classmates ni Francine as a request for picture taking. Ayan, lahat ng classmates natin. Ayan, lahat ng classmates. Ayan, lahat ng classmates ni Francine, picture opportunity. Ayan, bilang na bilang ni Ma'am kung ilan yung classmates na dito. Hey, smile! And thank you so much. Okay. Yan, para isahan na rin as a request of mommies. Lahat ng kids natin, picture opportunity. Lahat ng kids natin. Ayan, lahat ng kids. Ayan, lahat na ng kids natin. Ating guest kids. Ayan. Ayan, ayusin natin sila, Kuya Teo. Kaya ayusin natin sila, Kuya Teo. Yan, while inaayos lahat ng kids natin, dami nating kids. Ayan, okay na yung arrangement nila. Yan, cake labas ng konti. Na-move forward ka, cake.
kulay blue po.
Yan.
Philippines, smile. Tingin tayo sa camera. May more? Just look on the camera. McDonald's! Yay! Yan, thank you so much, kids. And pwede nang bumalik yung mga kids natin sa kanya-kanya nilang upuan. Okay. And for our next tradition, our 7 roses. For our first in line, Charles Alexander Mendoza, Vigas. And now you can dance with your gospel.
Dance! Dance! Dance!